Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix I can't comment on Facebook post. Let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the Facebook app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and check if an update is available. If yes, tap Update, then reopen the app and try commenting again. If that doesn't work, try clearing the app cache. Go to your phone settings, tap on Apps and search for Facebook. Tap on Storage, then choose Clear Cache. This can help remove temporary bugs or glitches causing the problem. If you're still facing the issue, report it directly to Facebook. Open the app and tap the three-line menu in the top right. Scroll down and select Help Support. Tap Report a Problem. Then choose Continue to report a problem. Wait a few seconds for it to load. You'll be asked whether to include logs. Select whatever you're comfortable with. Then choose the product area for this issue. You can pick Feed. Now describe your issue. Type something like, "Hi Facebook team, I'm unable to comment on posts. Please help me resolve this issue." Once you're done, tap Send. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.